And it's 3rd down and 5. Brady fires. That's caught. And there is Gronkowski having a spectacular season and a 1st down. So they convert here. Gronkowski is averaging 22 yards per reception, and that was good for 22.
Yeah, one of the things you want to do with Gronkowski is keep him going across the middle of the field. The thing that the Seahawks love to do defensively is to trade off in there. They have what's called sort of a star or a lurking player right in the middle of the field. But Gronkowski that time got across the face of that, but clearly a foul.
Agreed. And now from the 1, they give the ball to Blount. And LeGarrette Blount, no signal yet, appears to be stopped just shy of the goal line. Now it's a touchdown. So there's the delayed call as the official comes in, sees where the ball winds up. Then LeGarrette Blount is into the end zone. So they cap off this drive, and it takes just a 4:41, ready for his close-up, and New England takes the lead.
Joe Tooney, Nate Solder, great job getting this one into the end zone. There certainly didn't look like anything we're going to be able to overturn it with there. Just too many bodies. I'll let you call that one, Al.
Well, all scoring plays are reviewed. No, I'm going to let you call this one.
That was just a big pile. I don't think they could even overturn it if they wanted to. What an impressive drive, though, for an opening drive. And